This 2024 Grand Design Momentum MAV 27 MAV is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 32 feet 3 inches in length and features a urban smoke interior, sleep 6, TV antenna, spare tire kit, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, external shower, refrigerator, self-contained, LP detector, skylight, smoke detector, and 90 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bunkhouse, front bedroom, patio deck. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Momentum MAV 27 MAV is 6,848 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.